Three flashing light beacons X, Y, and Z are used to guide another rocket C. The flash events are shown on the space-time diagram. The diagram shows the axes for the reference frames of Earth and rocket C. The Earth observer is at the origin. Okay? Using the graph opposite, deduce the order in which the beacons flash in the reference frame of rocket C. Okay, so the one thing that I want to distinguish between here is the flash of the beacons and the observation of the flash. The flash, the time at which they flash occurs before they are observed because it takes light time to travel to you. So to find out what time they're observed, you need to draw world lines for the photons. To find out when they flash, you just need to find out where they are on the relevant time axis. Okay, so we'll do that. So we want to find out the beacons flash, the order in which the beacons flash in the reference frame of rocket C. Okay, so rocket C's world line is these are the axes for rocket C, X dash and CT dash. Okay, so to find out which of X and Y occur first, what we need to do is draw a line parallel to the X dash axis, because all events on lines parallel to this line are going to be simultaneous. So if the events fall on a line that's parallel to that, they're going to be simultaneous. Okay, so this line has a gradient of 2 over 5. So if we go across 5 and up 2, and across 5 and up 2, we're going to pass through the 2 points. So these 2 points are going to be simultaneous. So we can draw a line here. So all events on that line are going to be simultaneous. So we can tell that from a rocket observer's point of view, the two events appear to have happened simultaneously. And this event, Z, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, is going to cross the CT dash axis much higher up. And so X and Y are simultaneous, and they both appear to have happened first. And then Z occurs at a later time. Okay, so X and Y appear to have flashed simultaneously. And Z flashed later, as seen by Rocket Man. Okay, the Earth observer will see the beacons flash. Let's figure out what order the Earth observer sees them. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of these lines that I've drawn, just to make the diagram a little bit more clear. Okay, so the Earth observer is the one that has the straight axes, so that's the one that we're considering to be stationary. So to find out when he sees a particular flash, or she, we need to draw world lines for the photons from each event. So this photon here will cross his axis there. This photon here will cross his time axis up here. So definitely X occurs before Y, and Z will cross there. Okay, so what the Earth observer will see is the photon from X arrive first here, and then the photons from Z and Y arrive at the same time. Because even though Z flashed later, it's also closer. So the observer on Earth will see those two flashes at the same time. Okay? So the Earth observer will see X first. I think it was X, and then Y and Z were simultaneous, is that right? Yeah, X was first, and then Y and Z are seen simultaneously. So see X first, and Y and Z will be seen simultaneously. At a later time.